M has taken a house on rent and sublet the same to A. Income of M from such a house property shall be taxable under the head. इसका आंसर है income from other sources. Question number 2. Municipal valuation of the house is rupees 1 lakh fair rent or rupees 1 lakh 20,000, standard rent rupees 1 lakh 10,000, and actual rent received and receivable is rupees 1 lakh 40,000. The gross annual value in this case shall be, इसका आंसर है rupees 1 lakh 40,000. Question number 3. Municipal valuation of the house is rupees 1 lakh 20,000 and fair rent 1 lakh 40,000, standard rent rupees 1 lakh 30,000, and actual rent received or receivable is rupees 1 lakh 25,000. The gross annual value in this case shall be 1 lakh 30,000. गाइस आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है, वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को जरूर क्लिक करिए ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशन जो भी अपडेट्स होंगे वो आपको मिलते रहें। फुल एजुकेशन सपोर्ट चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। हम लोग कर रहे हैं डायरेक्ट टेक्स्ट के एमसीक्यूज। टीवाई बीकॉम सेमेस्टर 5 स्टूडेंट्स के वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज है डायरेक्ट टेक्स्ट के, और जो भी बच्चों का डायरेक्ट टेक्स्ट आपका सब्जेक्ट रहेगा उन सभी के लिए ये एमसीक्यूज बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, चाहे आप बैफ हो, बीएमए हो या फिर आप बीकॉम के बच्चे हों। बीकॉम सेमेस्टर 5 वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 डिस्कस करते हैं। A has 2 house properties. Both are self-occupied. The annual value of dash, इसका आंसर है 1 house shall be nil. Question number 5. An SEC has borrowed money for purchase of a house and interest is payable outside India. Such interest shall, इसका आंसर है be allowed as deduction if the tax is deducted at source. Question number 6. Municipal tax is deducted from, इसका आंसर है gross annual value. Question number 7. In case the property is owned by co-owner and itself occupied by all co-owner, the annual value of such a house property, इसका आंसर है for its co-owner shall be nil. Question number 8. A house property with fair rent rupees 1 lakh 20,000 is neither let out nor self occupied through the out of the previous year. Its annual value shall be, इसका आंसर है rupees 1 lakh 20,000. Question number 9. Unrealized rent is deduction from, इसका आंसर है gross annual value. Question number 10. A property is owned by co-owner and itself occupied by all co-owner. In this case, interest on money borrowed after 1st April 2010 for acquiring the house shall be allowed. Question number 11. Dhanesh is a member of a house building cooperative society. The society is the owner of the flat construction by it. Of one of the flat is allotted to Dhanesh. The income from that flat will be assessed in the hand of, इसका आंसर है Dhanesh. Question number 12. Following will be taxable as income from house property. इसका आंसर है letting of an office building. Question number 13. Municipal taxes to be deducted from GAV should be, इसका आंसर है paid by the owner during the previous year. Question number 14. Standard deduction under section 24A from income from house property is, इसका आंसर है 30% of NAV. Question number 15. Interest on borrowed capital accrued up to the end of the previous year prior to the year of completion of construction is allowed. इसका आंसर है B. In fifth equal annual installment from the year of completion of construction. Question number 16. The maximum limit of deduction under section 24B in respect of interest on loan taken on 1st April 2017 for repair of a self-occupied house is, इसका आंसर है rupees 30,000 per annum. Question number 17. Where an SEC has 2 house property for self-occupation, the benefit of nil annual value will be available in respect of, इसका आंसर है any one of the property at the option of the SEC. Question number 18. Municipal valuation of the house is rupees 1 lakh, whereas the fair rent of house property rupees 1 lakh 15,000 and standard rent is rupees 1,20,000. Actual rent receivable is rupees 1,40,000. म्यूनसिपल टैक्सेस पेड 10%. नेट एनुअल वैल्यू इज, इसका आंसर है रुपीज 1,30,000. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. म्यूनसिपल वैल्यूएशन ऑफ द हाउस इज रुपीज 1,30,000. फेयर रेंट इज रुपीज 1,50,000. स्टैंडर्ड रेंट इज रुपीज 1,40,000. वेयर एज एक्चुअल रेंट रिसीवेबल इज रुपीज 1,35,000. म्यूनसिपल टैक्स पेड आर रुपीज 40,000. नेट एनुअल वैल्यू इज डैश, इसका आंसर है रुपीज 1 लाख. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. फेयर रेंटल value of the house is rupees 2,50,000. standard rent rupees 2,20,000. actual rent is rupees 2,30,000. municipal tax paid for 7 years in advance rupees 2,80,000. net annual value is dash, इसका आंसर है loss rupees 50,000. question number 21. municipal value of house is rupees 9,000. fair rent rupees 14,000. standard rent rupees 12,000. the house property has been let for rupees 12,000 per month and was vacant for 1 month during the previous year. municipal taxes paid during the year were rupees 4,000. net annual value is dash, इसका आंसर है 9,200. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. म्यूनसिपल वैल्यू ऑफ अ हाउस इज रुपीज 9,000. फेयर रेंट रुपीज 14,000. स्टैंडर्ड रेंट रुपीज 12,000. द हाउस प्रॉपर्टी हैज़ बीन लेट फॉर रुपीज 1,200 पर मंथ एंड वॉज वैकेंट फॉर 3 months ड्यूरिंग द प्रीवियस ईयर. म्यूनसिपल टैक्सेस पेड ड्यूरिंग द ईयर वर रुपीज 4,000. नेट एनुअल वैल्यू इज डैश, इसका आंसर है रुपीज 6,800. Question number 23. M has a house property in Mumbai whose municipal value is rupees 10,000 and fair rental value is rupees 12,000. It was self-occupied by M from 1st April 2018 to 31st July 2018. With the effect from 1st August 2018, it was let out at rupees 900 per month. The municipal taxes paid during the year were rupees 2,000. Net annual value is dash, इसका आंसर है रुपीज 10,000. क्वेश्चन नंबर 24. ये बेसिक कंसेप्ट के क्वेश्चंस है. लेट्स सी. द M furnished the following particular in respect of a house property owned by him in Mumbai. Municipal value of rupees 20,000. Fair rent rupees 24,000. Actual rent 2,100. Question municipal tax paid during the year 2000. M could not realize the rent for the month of September and October 2018. The tenant vacated the property on 31st October 2018 and thereafter the property was let out for rupees 2,500 per month. Net annual value is dash, इसका आंसर है rupees 21,000. Question number 25. Municipal value of rupees 90,000. Fair rental value rupees 1,40,000. Municipal taxes rupees 40,000. The entire house remains self-occupied throughout the previous year. Net annual value is dash, इसका आंसर है nil. Question number 26. Municipal value rupees 90,000. Fair rental value is rupees 1,40,000. Municipal tax is rupees 40,000. The entire house was let out throughout the year at the rate rupees 12,000 per month. Net annual value is dash. इसका आंसर है rupees 1,04,000. Question number 27. Municipal value rupees 90,000. Fair rental value is 1,40,000. Municipal tax is rupees 40,000. The entire house was let out at the rate 12,000 per month. It was however vacant for 1 month. Net annual value is 92,000. Next question 28. म्यूनसिपल वैल्यू रुपीज़ 90,000. तो यहाँ पे आपको सब चीज़ें दी गई हैं कि फिर आपको वैल्यू बतानी है कि कितना है. सो डिस्कस करते हैं. 28. म्यूनसिपल वैल्यू आपको दी गई है 90,000 की. फेयर रेंटल वैल्यू दी गई है 1,40,000 की. म्यूनसिपल टैक्सेस रुपीज़ 40,000. द हाउस वॉज लेट आउट फॉर 5 months from the beginning of the previous year at the rate rupees 10,000 per month and was self-occupied for the remaining month. Net annual value is dash. इसका आंसर है 1 lakh. Question number 29. M has a house divided into 2 identical units. Unit 1 is self-occupied throughout the year. Unit 2 is let out throughout the year on a rent of rupees 50,000 per month. Municipal taxes paid amount to rupees 60,000. टोटल नेट एनुअल वैल्यू इज डैश. इसका आंसर होगा रुपीज 5,70,000. Question number 30. M has a house divided into two identical units. Unit 1 is self-occupied for 9 months and you let out for 3 months at the rate 50,000 per month, which is the fair rent in the area. And Unit 2 is let out throughout the year on a rent of rupees 50,000 per month. Municipal taxes paid amount to rupees 60,000. Total net annual value is, इसका आंसर है 11,40,000 rupees. Question number 31. The assessors took a loan of rupees 6 lakh on 1st April 2016 from a bank for construction of a house on a piece of land he owned in Pune. The loan carry an interest at the 12% per annum. The construction is completed on 15 June 2017 and the entire loan is outstanding. Interest allowable for current assessment year 2019-20 is, इसका आंसर है रुपीज़ 1,08,000. Question number 32. X take a loan of 3,60,000 rupees at a 12.5% per annum for construction a house on June 10, 2013. Construction of the house is completed on January 20, 2017. Loan was repaid on 31st October 2018. Interest available for current assessment year 2019-20 is, इसका आंसर है 30,526. Question number 33. Net annual value of one house is rupees 3 lakh and actual expenditure incurred on repair is 75,000 rupees. Income from house property is dash. इसका आंसर है rupees 2,10,000. Question number 34. If a house has been constructed on 1st July 2018 by taking a loan on 1st November 2014, pre-reconstruction period for allowing interest in assessment year 2019-20 shall be, इसका आंसर है from 1st November 2014 to 31st March 2018. Next question 35. L received rupees 30,000 and arrear of rent during the previous year 2018-19. The amount taxable under section 25A will be, इसका आंसर है rupees 21,000. Question number 36. We received 90,000 in May 2018 toward recovery of unrealized rent, which was deducted from actual rent during the previous year 2017-18 for determining annual value. The amount taxable under section 25A for assessment year 2019-20 will be dash. इसका आंसर है rupees 63,000. Question number 37. G and R are co-owner of the self-occupied property. They own 50% share. Is the interest paid by each co-owner during the previous year on loan. So इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Is rupees 1,62,000 and amount tailable deduction in respect of each co-owner is dash. इसका आंसर है rupees 1,62,000. सो गाइस यहाँ पे वीडियो लेंथी हो रहा है, सो हम लोग यहाँ पे स्टॉप करते हैं. नेक्स्ट लेसन में हम सैलरी चैप्टर्स के ऑल MCQs डिस्कस करेंगे. ऑलरेडी मैंने फर्स्ट वीडियो बनाया जहाँ पे डिस्कस किया है हम लोगों ने MCQs एंड डायरेक्ट टेक्स्ट के 3-4 वीडियोस बनेंगे, तो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs है, तो सभी वीडियोस को एंड तक जरूर देखना, दोस्तों में शेयर करना. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.